So we reveal our indicators. We got a ton of requests from you guys under our weekly live streams. What indicators do we use? That's why we do a mini YouTube video series about the indicators where we explain them. And if you want to have the same indicators, because they are all custom built from us, just join our group, the Academy. They are free for all members and RefLink users. The Academy's daily cycle indicator, and you see it here in the bottom pane. This is the Academy DC daily cycle indicator. And what is this and from where do we have it? This is a form of stochastics, but it's double smoothed with specific parameters to make it fit better to our charts. This is also used by a named pretty famous trader named Bob Lucas, which is big in the cycle analysis. And he uses this indicator on weekly and daily charts for his cycle analysis to determine where we are within a timing-wise cycle. And if you know me, you know that I do a lot of 60-day cycle analysis. And for that, I use this indicator just to determine where we are in the cycle. Did we have topped? Did we have bottomed? Do we still extend to the upside, or do we stall? And the normal stochastics just switch too fast, and I need something that is very, very clean, that gives the signal not immediately on each wick, which needs a bit. Well, that's why it's double smoothed and stochastics, but still, once it does, flips heavily. And this double smooth stochastics indicator does this. And you see here overbought and oversold areas, and we see what the stochastics do here. For example, once a cycle bottom is established, and then when they get overheated, we stall, we cool off, and once the cool off has finished, this was here mid-cycle, we extend higher again. And with the help of that, it's more easy to read a 60-day cycle. And when I switch, for example, to a 60-day cycle chart, and we just look at what happened 2024 into 2025 here, this indicator was golden. So we have a 60-day cycle, and within a 60-day cycle, we have always two 30-day cycles. So between the big reds here, that's a 60-day cycle, and then we have 30-day. And you see, bottom was established, right? This extending to the top within a timing zone I've marked previously by measuring 60-day cycles. I knew I want to scale in, and once I saw this and we extend higher again, I was sure we had the bottom on day 63 in, we extend higher. And when did we stop? Here. Then we bottomed, we extended, and you see this? The market ebbs and flows. It is a wave. And yeah, where buyers are, there will be sellers. Market moves directional, always with 2 steps forwards, 1 step back. And you can make these movements, these wave-like movements, transparent with such a stochastic indicator. And they are especially powerful on the higher time frames, not on the lower time frames, because there are many flukes and fake outs and manipulation, but on the daily chart. And when you see this, okay, we are bottoming, we are extending higher. Once we were here, it's already started to extending, and you see this, you can search for an entry here and hop into a running trend very early and be high on risk here once you join this trend early, and be softer at risk here at the top as we already extended. And you can de-risk based on this indicator and timing, of course.